Welcome back, students. Now in this part I'll be telling you something about silicates, silica, SiO2, which is considered as the important constituent of your glass, sand, okay, clay, etc. So this silica, how it behaves and what compounds it can form, what are its property, right, chemical and physical, that thing I will be discussing here in this part. So here we go. Next guys, the topic is silica. So it is one of the important compound considered as that carbon family. Let's see. So silica is what? SiO2, and it is unable to form p-pi bond with oxygen due to its relatively large size, silicon. Thus it satisfies all the 4 valency with 4 atoms of the oxygen and constitute this SiO2. How does that structure look? I will tell you. Now the 3 crystalline modifications of SiO2, these are your quartz, your cristobalite and your tridymite, of which quartz and cristobalite are very important. Quartz is what? Your rock crystal. It is the purest form of silica. Quartz. It is used in preparation of costly glasses and lenses. I told you also earlier. Silica are used in glasses. It is also used as piezoelectric material, guys. Piezoelectric material means applying pressure, you get electricity. So like that. So it is a transducer kind of thing. Now structure of silica. See, this is the structure of silica. So it has a network of your silicon and your oxygen. Then that oxygen is again attached to a silicon and oxygen. So it is a network of silica. And artificially I can obtain silica by these methods. If I directly heat silicon with air, okay, in the presence of oxygen, obviously it will give me SiO2. Then SiCl4 plus 4H2O, this will also give me silica. Okay, first of all it will give me H4SiO4. Then when I will heat this, I will get my silica. Okay, these are the artificial methods to prepare the silica. Now silicates and silicones. So there is difference between silicates and silicones. What is that? Let's check it out. Silicates, what? The general formula which is applied is your SiO2. Okay, that is for silicates. And the solid which contain SiO4, they are the structural unit. So general formula is your SiO4 4 negative for the silicate ion. And when one or more oxygen atoms exist, then such tetrahedron structure comes up. So they are your quartz, asbestos, feldspar, mica, okay, zeolites. They all are what? Silicates. So it's like this. This is one tetrahedral unit. Okay. This is a pyrosilicate, Si2O7 negative. Then this is a star shape. So Si6O10 12 negative. And this is a chain silicate. SiO3 2 negative. N. Okay. And because it's like a polymerization, you can say. Polymerization. So small repeating units will contribute a big unit. Will make a big unit. And silicones are what? Silicones are your R2SiO units. R2SiO units. So it's given the name silicon. Why? Because of the empirical formula is close as ketones. If you remember, CO in between and then 2R. It's like this. This is what your ketone, right? This is your ketone. And silicones are chemically inert. They are water repelling and heat resistance also. So your electrical insulating properties are here, and silicones are applied in those applications, okay, to form insulating substances. So they are used as sealants, greases, electrical insulators, waterproofing of fabrics, okay. And how they are prepared? They are prepared by the hydrolysis of R2SiCl2. It's like this. First you hydrolyze R2SiCl2 and it will give you this structure. And the starting one, the alkyl group, it is substituted by the chlorosilicate. Okay, directly reaction with the RCl in the presence of copper as catalyst. So it's like this. Again, if you do RCl plus Si, you will get this one first, okay? Then you will hydrolyze this one, you will get this one. If you will hydrolyze this one, you can get a RCO, okay, or SiO, and RCO and R again. So this is a silicone again. This is a silicone again. So it is R2CO type. R2CO type. So this is how it is prepared by hydrolysis of your R2SiCl2. R2SiCl2. Okay? That's it. So students, in this part we'll learn in how many forms my silica exists, okay, and what different compounds it forms. Also, we saw the difference between silicates and silicones and their way of preparation. Okay, there were two different methods how to prepare them. We saw that. In my next part, I'll be telling you about nitrogen family, about the nitrogen family. So stay tuned with me for that.